Hello guys, so today we are going to be talking about two video enhancement tools that fall into the category of some of the best tools in this category. So we are talking about Hitpaw video enhancer and Topaz's Topaz's video AI. So these two are fall into, as I said, the category of some of the best in the business, and they have different things that they excel at, and we're gonna talk about the differences between the two of them and which one is the best option for you. So with Hitpaw Video Enhancer, I would say that Hitpaw Video Enhancer is definitely the more capable tool when it comes to upscaling older footage. So footage that is SD quality and less. So this footage is definitely more broadly processed by the Hitpaw Video Enhancer, and also the coloring process of the Hitpaw Video Enhancer is definitely a lot better than the one on the Topaz Video AI. And although Topaz will produce a video that is serviceable, it fails in comparison with Hitpaw Video Enhancer. As for videos of higher definition, so videos from 720p, if you are enhancing them to 1080p, both of these platforms perform on a very high level, and they are both serviceable absolutely in this regard. As for upscaling to a higher level, when upscaling to 4K, both of them are, for the 1080p, both of them are very serviceable. However, when upscaling to 8K, the clear winner here is Topaz Video AI, because it has those higher resolution capabilities. As for the which one is right for you, so basically if you are looking for maybe an option that is for older footage, for some older videos, I would definitely recommend Hitpaw, which is lacking at 8K resolution, so it does not have the option to go to 8K resolution. However, it's priced at $69.99, and it's a very easy choice if you are looking for maybe things of that regard. As for the Topaz Video AI, it excels in resolution capabilities. As I said, it has the option to go 8K, and all of the higher resolutions, it definitely is great. However, it needs more tuning by the person that's doing the job in order to achieve the most optimal results. So if you are willing to invest the time and effort to fine-tune these enhancements, it's definitely a more customizable approach. So yeah, these are the main differences between these two, and talking about which one of them is the right one for you. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.